Morning guys.
Morning.
Nice sunny morning for it as well. So we're going on our Friday morning adventure.
Where?
Don't know where yet.
Yeah.
We're gonna go somewhere.
It's sunny today.
Yeah, it's a nice sunny day. Not quite Spain, but you know, it's sunny. But we've just got in this morning and our dash cam has decided not to work.
Yeah, I'm not sure why, so I'll have to have a look at that later. Lucky enough, next base said there's a couple more, so
yeah,
we'll change it later. It could just be wiring or something, but we'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah, so our dash cam footage might be a little bit not there on this one. But you know, we're gonna keep going, of course.
Yep.
Kids are there, writing in the back.
Ecstatically, is that a word?
No, I don't think so.
They're ecstatic about going out. They're not excited at all. It's like I don't know, I think we're the kids here.
I know.
Yeah.
That's right. We'll swap roles.
Yeah.
Especially when we're in this car.
Right, so another day. We're driving eastwards at the moment. How your day been? Let us know in the comments. And keep subscribing and liking.
Yeah, definitely. Commenting as well.
Commenting, yeah, as we continue our adventure.
Yep.
We'll always try and add a positive note to every episode.
Yeah, definitely.
Or something which is enlightening to you guys.
Uplifting.
Uplifting.
Yeah, definitely.
Because that's what we should all be doing.
Yeah.
And some people are isolated out now in their houses.
Yeah.
Or wherever you are. Not houses, could be camper vans, boats.
Yeah.
And they don't speak to anyone outside, so if you're watching, we'll try and do our best every day to come up with something or find something which is positive to say.
Definitely.
About every situation that's happening right now.
That's the thing, that, you know, it's always been the case that your home is like brick walls.
Yeah.
And it's not. Your home is literally where you want it to be. You do not need to be confined within four walls for that to be your
it's
home.
It's like a prison, isn't it?
Oh, it totally is. It totally is. Actually, you'll find that if you were to get out and, you know, do the alternative, like live in a van or live in a boat or live in a shed, you'll find that your eyes will be opened up, your mind will be opened up to so much more. Seriously, it would be. It's weird how living in a house, you almost feel that you've got to do the housey type things.
Sandbanks out there. It's really nice today, and she's on Branksome Chine, and you can see it actually clear today, so I tried to point it out the other day, couldn't see it. And I've stopped at the moment because the kids say they're cold, so I'm just going to put
Actually, I don't think we told her about that little makeshift thing you did we?
No, when we was going to Cornwall it was literally about it was all night.
Like,
all night. We was up all
2
night.
2 o'clock in the morning, I think.
Yeah, Lane's preparing stuff, and I had made these things because when you're driving like now, the wind's blowing straight through into their faces, and we're always by the coast, so this is the problem. So I made, it's not the best.
Well, we tried to ask so many people to make it for us out of canvas.
Yeah.
And they didn't.
Yeah. So take too long. Well, a few hours and some clear plastic.
And some poppers.
And an old awning canopy. It's a thick one though.
It was quite thick.
Yeah, and I did it. Never made one of these before in my life. And it works. It clicks on there. Yes, I did this all myself.
He did.
And then we only had literally hours before we left to go Cornwall.
Yeah,
so,
literally.
In the morning, so that falls underneath there.
And that's it.
What do you think?
And it just stops the wind going in and hitting the kids.
And they can still see out. And now we've got the little sign put on.
Don't get hit.
Sorry. Right, I've got the other one here.
All black. Like, I wish you were all black.
I hate doing stuff when people watching me, so if it goes wrong, oh well. I know Lane's not going to edit it out.
No.
Alright, okay, and that falls underneath here. and that folds somewhere like. What do you think? It's quite strong as well.
Hey Vanessa, can you put your jackets on for me, please? Oh right, Ava, can you put yours on?
Yeah, so that's how you make a, I don't know, a side protection cover.
It's called a wind deflector.
A wind deflector. It's strong as well. So,
Yeah.
And it's just the right height for their faces not to get wind, and also keeps a lot of the heat in.
Is that okay, guys? Do you like it? Yeah? Mike, can you put your jacket on, please?
Put your jacket on, Marie. Alright, don't always be silly.
I'm not going to be editing that out. Gosh, man. Men.
Anyway, right, I'm really told off.
Found a nice spot at the beach. What's this beach called? Is it West Beach?
No, it's not West Beach. The next one on.
Branksome Chine.
That's it.
But yeah, it's a nice beach anyway. It's a nice spot. We've been showing you a few of the views. We're going to go down to the beach in a minute. But you know, sometimes we just bring out our thermos.
Yep.
With tea, sandwiches, and just come and listen to the waves.
Telling me off all the time, but you know it is. That is, guys.
Daddy, look, there's one there.
That area up there is what I'm talking about. You cannot see it on the camera. I might go a bit closer, but it's that word again, lush. It's that word. I can't say. Oh, I don't like that word. But yeah, it's very, very nice. Very, very green.
Also, Bournemouth is not too far, so if you're here, you can literally walk to Bournemouth. What,
So
10 minutes? If even that?
Yeah, I mean, guys, you can walk all the way along where my finger is, all the way down there to Bournemouth.
And also Poole is all the way down there. So again, 10 minutes either side of you. You've got some nice beaches. Or the whole stretch is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't say that. Oh my God. That was gone. Oh, Daddy, look!
Whoa!
I'm thinking in my bed.
Big wave, big wave.
These kids are crazy. And I do mean Chris as well.
The toys just keep getting
I ain't got time.
Come here. No, listen. Yeah, it's not, I'm a big kid. The toys just keep getting bigger, including our kids. So until then, I'll keep playing with them. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Woo! Wow.
Big camera.
Oh no.
What's the going with me?
No.
That's the going. What are you doing? Oh, that was a cool shot.
It's really nice watching the waves.
Oh no.
See, we'll just have a chair and watch it all day.
Oh no. Come, no. You go with Dad, go up there with Dad if you want. Go on. Go on, if you want. Go up there with Dad, it's fine. You like it?
Make sure you know.
Oh, that big one.
Oh, proper big one, oh my god.
Ready to run?
Get ready, just in case.
Big one. Big one. One thing I do notice in the UK travelling around, that there's a lot of this stuff. Do not do, can't go. Hello. 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 No, look one, look. Hello. Yeah. There's a lot of do not do, restricted areas, all that kind of stuff everywhere you go. It's always like you can, you know, you're told what you can't and can do. So yeah. It's always something that just lets it down when you're in a nice area.
Yeah, when you just want to enjoy yourself.
You've got to enjoy yourself. You've been told you can't really, but you've got to caution of everything. And the sea's there to enjoy it. You've got to be sensible, but just enjoy it anyway.
What is it with kids? You tell them to do something and they do the complete opposite.
My key is a bit broken.
Oh yeah.
It's actually bent, and we need to sort that out.
Definitely.
It's like the only key. We have got the spare key, but the spare key's broken too.
Oh no.
Well.
Ooh, that's a bit tight.
Yeah. Funny enough, when you're in the water, it feels like you're flying a plane. You've got no real control over it apart from the rudder at the back. Let's see if she starts. Gosh, man.
We've come out on a drive. We went to the chip shop to get some food for these guys because obviously
They're always hungry.
they're always hungry.
It's their fault.
And we've stopped at a place called Mudderford to have our chips. And the car won't start. Oh my gosh. So we're sitting there now. I think it's the battery, right?
It's every battery, yeah.
So we're sitting there now contemplating what.
It started giving us a bit of trouble from this morning. Not trouble, but being slow. But that's probably down to the cold weather. And normally you can tell when the battery's on its way out because it starts to not start effectively or efficiently this time of year. And today it started doing it and now it's gone flat. And we've been here a couple of minutes. So I'm going to have to get out and push it and jump start it and then it should be right the rest of the day, so at least I know now. And I'll take it off and give it a really good charge. Or I'll plug it in.
Or we just change the battery maybe.
Yeah, well to be fair, it's got the wrong size battery on it. It came with it.
It's a little tiny pea-shoot battery.
Yeah, it came with it, so that's not going to help us. So I'm just waiting to see if I see anyone comes along who may have a jump lead. It'll be a lot easier, quicker. If not, then
It's pushing.
Elaine's got to push.
I won't be pushing, I'll be starting it.
You got to push. You got that to start it properly. I was like, well, you get a couple of chances.
Yeah, you just start it.
Static electricity.
I just started then.
Static electricity.
Oh, no.
Start in first gear.
In first, not when we go in reverse, right?
Reverse.
Yeah.
We'll start in reverse then.
I just started in reverse.
Just put it in reverse and start it.
Just put
You're gonna start
just
it.
put it in reverse and start it. Anyway, that's gonna be another video.
That's going to be definitely another video.
Right, so I've got to decide now. We're starting on a bit of a slope, I think, and everyone has to get the car to make it as light as possible.
Yeah.
To be fair, I can probably push it that way.
Down.
Yeah, because it's all the same. And then it should.
Hopefully.
Let's try it one more time.
Or just
Oh no.
Is that
I don't know, kill that battery. Yeah, it will start if I jump start it properly.
in real life if anything?
If Elaine jump starts it properly. If it doesn't, then we'll have to wait 3 hours for the AA. So we'll see. That'll be a complete video.
Mari, you can film whilst we're outside.
Static electricity.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Right, let's do this then because we need to go.
It's a lovely view though.
Yeah, it is.
I prefer to sit there and push the car. Oh,
Static electricity.
what are you talking about, Mari?
Static electricity.
Static electricity. What, with your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, right, probably.
Try guy.
What's that going to do? Start the car?
Yep. Tiger.
And probably set your hair on fire. Or your head.
Try guy.
All right. Someone lift the lighter on the chair.
Try guy.
I'm not there, just here. Right. Shall we
No,
get out and push it back at least anyway? We're going to have to do that. So.
no.
At least you hold the wires and jump. Jump and start.
Yep. Right, okay.
This car, eh? It's a good thing it gives us a lot of fun because if it didn't, it'll be getting sold.
Yeah, it's broken down too many times for my
Now you've got
liking.
paper, scissors.
Like I'm too fair, this is the battery, it's a different situation, but things have gone, the quality of some parts are terrible, but you know, that's in my previous videos. So subscribe, like and all that, and watch some of our previous videos and you'll see what's a few of the things. We haven't filmed all the stuff that's gone wrong.
No, we haven't.
We started filming when we started filming, but we've had this car for quite a few years, so it's a lot of things have gone wrong in that time.
Today on news.
Right, let me have a look and see.
Today on Children News, there is a doggy who's playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot, but in a different
Mari's getting out with you to put.
I don't want to
Everyone's
film.
getting out with you, really. We're gonna have to film. It's all content. It's content. Mari, get your jacket on.
Okay.
That's our cam for
Do
today.
you know what content means?
It means you're getting conned.
Yeah, exactly. Just like contract. Sign a contract. Who signs a contract with the word con in it? Come on. The contract. Oh. That's one for something to think about, think about today.
Yeah.
Do not sign a contract. And don't be contracted by Elaine to be content with pushing a car. But it all depends whether she can start it effectively.
Of course I'm going to start it. I just put it in first gear, like you said.
Yep.
And
I bet
No, you don't. It needs to be already on. The ignition needs to be on already.
I
Alright,
bet Mum's gonna do it. And it's
the
gonna
ignition
work.
needs to be on this,
Yeah.
and you're just gonna push it.
No.
What? So what then?
God, this is sort of telling me how to jump start a car. Right, okay, let me.
No, I'm saying I'm going to jump start it. So
Yeah, but how
just tell me.
oh yeah, I know, but
Go on then.
okay, right. So
Right now.
you put the ignition on so the lights come on. If
Yep.
they're on, if they're not, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
Right now.
Then you put it in second gear.
Yep.
You can do it in first gear, but second gear is no better.
Yep.
So you need to get enough speed up to jump start it.
Yep.
And then at the point I shout, go,
Yep.
you lift your foot off the clutch very quickly
Okay.
and it should start the car.
Okay.
And then put your foot
So
clutch down.
don't turn the ignition.
No.
No?
So this shouldn't be already on.
Oh, yeah.
Because we're not using
okay.
the start motor now, we're using the engine to start it, the gears to start
Okay
it.
then. All right.
So,
then. Let's do it.
right. C'est baguette, ça va bro? Ça va aller?
What does that mean? I don't really want to do it, but I got it.
Oh, audiences.
You should have done it a minute ago, innit? When no one went in.
Hey, it would be funny, I sit in, a coach turns up. There's a lot of guys.
What are you gonna do for you?
It'd be great though. There's a lot of guys that were getting to come out. You know they want to help. Oh well. Let's do this because Elaine's wasting my time.
Right. So I get in
I
the
don't like
driver's-
this YouTube thing.
Mine. Now you can film. Come on.
If you start in reverse, it'd be easier. It's just downhill there.
So what?
you
Well,
need-
how do you do that though?
It's it's similar. You put it in reverse, and then when you go fast enough, you just take it off the clutch part. Because that's downhill. That'd be easier. But you got to make sure you get the speed right. So if not, we'll have to put it back uphill again. You have to get it right. You've got it right the first time, Lane.
Yeah. Well, why don't you just push it out then and go downhill if you want?
Huh?
Push it out then and go downhill.
Anna, come out.
Mind you moving?
I'm helping.
Straighten up a bit. Straighten up a bit. Straighten up a bit. So if you take too much, it makes it heavier. There you go. Yeah. Turn this on. Turn this on. Push it a little bit.
Okay, even if I
Good.
must push.
Go on then. Quickly. Oh man, if you don't look quick, it's not going to start then.
Oh no.
Nah, you got.
I took my foot off the clutch.
Oh, I think it won't start if you don't. You got to do it. It's a quick way of doing it.
I can do it.
That's what I'm saying. But if I did it, it'd be easier.
Yeah, but it's to push it, innit?
I know, but someone's got to stress start it. Right road now.
Oh, looks like we're gonna have to push backwards. And the
Well,
car's coming.
Cars can go past anyway, so.
Oh, let's
Car's
bring it
coming.
back. Let's bring it back that way.
Car's coming. Mummy? Hybrid car, it's electric now.
Right, come on, go, guys.
Push.
Down this side.
Let's get quick. Why does it feel like were you pushing the brake? You, not.
I'm lifting up.
I'm not. I said not yet.
One more time. Kid power. You only got police, but you can still do this, right? Kid power. When we do crouching. This is. Oh, stop! No, stop it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't take the key, no?
No.
Alright.
Just make sure lights on. Off the clutch quickly. There you go.
Yeah. Yay.
I will.
Right,
Okay. Yay.
Come on.
hard, unpredictable.
Right, that's Elaine driving the Dutton. What do you think Mum's driving?
The book car.
What do you think Mum's driving?
Red car.
I know she's driving the boat car. What do you think of her driving?
Okay.
What do you think of her driving?
Great. Great. Oh,
Well done.
There you go.
No, don't turn it off.
I'm not
It's
gonna-
right for a minute. What's
So
the
that's
drive?
it,
Yeah.
Just leave it neutral.
Yeah, what's the drive be right?
Well, hey!
Yeah. How was it?
It wasn't good. Right, everyone get back in there.
Right, get back in.
take the camera. Mummy,
What do you mean, not you?
got him down to do.
1
1 second.
Good cam, good cam. High five.